In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook status, including offline, online, and busy. We'll cover two things people often confuse: presence status, like available or busy, and connection status, which controls whether Outlook is online or offline. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each setting does. First, set your presence using Microsoft Teams, the recommended method since it updates Outlook too. Open Teams, click your profile picture in the top right, and view your current status. Choose from available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, away, or offline. Once selected, Outlook mirrors this status so coworkers see the same across apps. If you have meetings scheduled in Outlook, your status can update automatically to busy during those times. Now let's manage online and offline modes, which affects syncing but not your presence. In the new Outlook, click the gear icon for settings, go to General, then Offline. Toggle Enable Offline Email, Calendar, and People on to work offline, or off to stay online, and click Save. Offline mode allows reading previously synced mail and composing messages that send when reconnected. For classic Outlook desktop, toggle connection via the Send/Receive tab using Work Offline. When active, the status bar shows working offline and Outlook stops sending or receiving mail. Click again to reconnect and sync drafts. Quick recap: use Teams to change presence, letting Outlook mirror available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, away, or offline. Keep your calendar updated to let Outlook mark busy automatically. Use the new Outlook settings under General and Offline to toggle offline access, and in Classic Desktop, use the Work Offline button on the Send/Receive tab. That's all you need to control how you appear and connect in Outlook efficiently. By following these steps, you can manage visibility and mail flows seamlessly across Outlook and Teams.